Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to unbox my very first Knitcrate box. So I just received this in the mail today, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. Okay, so this is an inspirations booklet. I guess this is the next theme, shadows. That's really pretty. So let's take a look. So this is sock yarn. It is DK weight, and this color is roller skates. 80% merino wool and 10% cashmere. It has pretty little sparkles in it. So these hanks are $28 each. So this is worth $56 here in itself. I think that's a great deal if you're going to get a crate for a monthly rate, which is a lot cheaper than the $64. Okay, so this is what I received. It's two of one of these, and so both of them are roller skates. Okay, so there's some patterns that you can make using the yarn provided in the box. And there's knit and crochet. And then there's the patterns on each page. Okay. So you receive a booklet full of inspirations with your yarn. That's pretty cool because you have a few to choose from and you're not stuck with let's say it came with one pattern. Okay, so there's a little backpack yarn squad. Cute. I'll just put that back in. Okay, so I'm going to use this to design something of my own. So in the description box below, there is a link for you to purchase a membership so that you can receive monthly crates as well. Now I went on the website and chose the option to surprise me because there's sort of like a color theme that you can choose and they send you based on what your preference is. I like to be surprised, so I chose the option to just let them choose. So the link is an affiliate link, which means I get a percentage of the sales at no extra cost to you. Okay, I can't wait to get started on this. Okay, so be on the lookout for a new pattern coming soon with my very first Knitcrate yarn. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And a lot of my releases are announced on my Instagram account, so go ahead and check that out at Designs by Phanessa. While you're there, look around for inspiration and give me a follow. All right, I'll see you next time.